I welcome back to the newsletter again. My name is Sugeng. In this newsletter, I'm going to talk about addiction. In our life, there are people who know that they have addiction, but there are people who don't know or even don't think that they have addiction. But we call it addiction. Some people call it negative emotions, or even some people call it bad habits. All these can be categorized under addiction. And there are basically three kinds of addictions. The first one is physical, like our addictions to coffee, games, internet, food, and many other things. The second type of addiction is mental. Some people always have negative thinking, see somebody and feel unhappy. Some people like to get busy. They want to be busy all the time, and they are clueless when they are free, and many other things too. And the third one is our mind. Every time we have wrong thinking, wrong idea about something, that is the worst addiction of all. Now, how do we solve all these addictions? Most of the time, people use two ways to resolve addiction, to get rid of addiction. First one is to stop immediately. So let's say if I have addiction to coffee, I stop drinking coffee, not even a drop of coffee. The second way is to stop it, to reduce the coffee gradually, until one day I can be rid of the coffee. But these two may not be the best solution. In fact, I would say these two are equally bad methods. In fact, I would say that these two are equally bad choices. We want the ultimate solution. So if you know our system, we still have to come back to the pen story, which is very important. And after pen story, we have the 4 steps. We can use all this to resolve our problem with addiction. And of course, there are other ways that we can use that we will cover in our upcoming Level 6 Executive Workshop. We use various methods, including meditation. So, I mentioned that all of us actually have addictions, but a lot of us may not know. How can I prove that we have addiction? Most of us have issues, problems with our personal life or with our professional life. And maybe if you learn how to get rid of addictions, you will be able to get rid of all those problems. Therefore, I would really like to invite all of you to come to our upcoming workshop, learn together, explore together, and use it in our life so that we can really make our life better. In Level 6, there are 2 objectives that we want to achieve. The first one is to get rid of the addiction using the ultimate way, once and for all. The second goal is to make full use of the downward spiral, negative energy of the addiction, not just to stop it, but to reverse and turn it to become upward spiral, positive energy to help us achieve our ultimate goal, which is to become successful and help everybody become successful together. So once again, I would like to invite all of you here to come and learn together and explore together and use it together and become successful together to achieve our ultimate goal. Thank you very much.
大家好，我是 Jenny Wang， 要跟大家报告好消息哦。格西老师要来教我们 Level 11的时间管理和掌握脑内对话之道，而且就在这个来临的10月，虽然还在疫情期间，但我们还是能听到格西老师线上直播的教授，而且原本线下格西老师只是教5堂课，但线上会多增加1堂到6堂课，而且在之前报名的同学，我们会送你1到10节精华版的5个小时的特别课，在9月16号又会给你30天线上后续实践练习，在这中间会有20个小视频让你深入，我也会带你8次线上 L11 的冥想， 让你深入，睡前的甜点让你享受，还有呢4个周末问与答，让你与重量级的老师一起见面，让你周末不寂寞。若你还没有报名的同学，只要你在9月10号之前报名，你还是能拥有这些特别配套的优惠哦。最重要，不要只是自己知道，格西老师来教授 L11 的好消息，要乐于分享给他人知道，身边的亲人朋友这一好消息。生命之中，我们都想要处处遇贵人，但一定要先种下贵人的种子，自己才能遇贵人。现在就把握机会吧，与他人分享，让我们种下种子，处处遇贵人。希望在这个11阶很快就与你相见咯，再见。